Okay, today we are going to discuss very important topic, electric flux. Okay, let's see the definitions. Electric flux definitions. Okay, let's see it. Okay, total number of lines of forces passing through any surface is known as electric flux. Got it? Total number of lines of forces passing through any surface is called electric flux. Are you getting? Lines of forces is important. Lines of forces is very important. What is the lines of forces? Here lines of forces. Lines of forces. Okay. Let's see the next. Okay, let's suppose this is some area. Okay, this is the area vector A. Suppose this is our electric field E. Okay, this is the angle theta. What I am telling to you, if electric field E makes an angle theta with area vector A, then flux phi equals to E dot A or EA cos theta. Okay, you have to got it. Here this is the area vector. Area vector, what is the area vector? Area vector is perpendicular to the surface and outward. Okay. And this is electric field E. This is electric field E. And this is the angle between electric field and area vector A. Then flux phi is defined as E dot A or EA cos theta. Okay, got it? Okay, note down. We will discuss further. Yes. Okay, some more point. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Okay, next its unit is voltmeter. Okay, got it. Next, this is the important points you should keep inside mind. It is a scalar quantity. If anybody asks what which type of physical quantity flux is, so flux is a scalar quantity. What is the unit? The unit is voltmeter. Okay. Some more point to be added. Okay. Flux will be maximum when theta equal to 0 degree. That is theta equal to 0 degree. That is electric field E will be perpendicular to the surface. Okay, are you getting? Yes, note down. देखिए हम ऐसा कह रहे हैं, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग टू यू, इफ एरिया इज परपेंडिकुलर and if electric field is also perpendicular to this surface, then phi equal to EA cos 0 degree, so E into 1 EA, okay, so it is the maximum. Okay, let's some more point will add. Got it? This is the previous one. Flux, next flux will be minimum when theta equal to 90 degree, that is electric field is parallel to the surface. Okay, then next important is flux. What I am telling to you, flux will be minimum. Let's see once more. Flux will be minimum, flux का वैल्यू सबसे कम होगा when theta equal to 90 degree, that is electric field is parallel to the surface. Okay, these are the conditions. Okay, note down. Next we will see just opposite. This is our surface, and electric field along this direction, area along this direction. This is the area vector, this is the electric field E, this angle would be 90 degree. Then phi minimum equal to EA cos 90 degree, hence flux will be 0. Okay, got it? Please note down, we will see further. Okay, outward some convention, so I write, just remember it. Outward flux taken as positive and inward flux taken as negative. This is the convention, so keep inside the mind. Okay, let's see next. Yes, now I am going to discuss the very important law. So this is known to Gauss laws. Okay, Gauss law. So you should keep in the mind, this is the one of the most important of the electrostatics. So what is the law statement? Okay, in previous lectures we have seen that electric flux, that they are related concept and a very important law going to discuss now. Okay, that is the Gauss laws. Gauss is this is very important law, Gauss law. Okay, so a statement of Gauss laws: total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon times total charge present inside the surface. Once I repeat it again, please write down: total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon times total charge present inside the surface. Okay, got it? इसके आगे देखते हैं. Let's see now. Suppose let Q charge is placed inside any closed surface, then total electric flux through this surface is phi equal to integration E dot ds equal to Q upon epsilon naught. This is the Gauss laws. वो हमने क्या लिया है? This is the any closed surface, and if Q charge is inside this, so this much amount of flux will pass through this closed surface. So this is important law. Please keep the mind. We will use it in numericals. Very important. Write down. Okay. Okay. अब हम थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स का which type of questions will be asked on electric flux. Okay. Competitions में क्या यूज है, तो उसका हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स देखते हैं. Let's see the numericals और MCQs. IIT और मेडिकल में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे? लेट्स सपोज दिस, इफ Q चार्ज is placed at the center of the cube, then total flux passing from the cube will be, okay, first options Q upon epsilon naught, second Q upon 6 epsilon naught, third 6 Q upon epsilon naught, and the last none. These four options are given in the examination. Then just this is the electric flux. Your question is about electric flux, so you should remind the which law? Gauss law you have keep inside the mind. Okay. तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे आप इसको? How to solve this? So just before we have seen the Gauss laws. This is the there is a question. This is the, let's suppose this is the cube. Okay. There is in center of the cube there is charge Q is here. So this small charge Q is the inside this closed surface of the cube, and there is a questions. Let's see, if Q charge is placed at the center of the cube. So here Q charge is placed at the center of the cube. Then total flux passing from this cube से flux passing through the cube you have to find out. So by the Gauss laws, flux equal to total charge placed in closed charge divided by epsilon naught. This will be the answer from the Gauss laws. Or this is okay. First option is right. Okay, got it? Let's see the next problem. We will write down this. I will see the next. Okay. Okay. Next questions can be asked like this. Write down in previous question. In previous question, find the value of electric flux passing from one of its face. Okay, again take first is q upon epsilon naught, second option is q upon 6 epsilon naught, third is 6 epsilon naught upon q, and last one is none of these. Okay, so in previous there is a cube. Yes, let's suppose करिए यहाँ एक cube है. This is the cube. Okay, and there is a charge at the center of the cube. So by the Gauss laws, the total flux passing through the cube will be total charge enclosed upon epsilon naught, and there is a 6 face. Okay, there is a how many faces? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is a 6 face in this cube. From all 6 faces, this amount of electric flux. So from one face, it would be q upon divided by 6 epsilon naught. So the answer is correct. So this way you have to solve the problems. Write down. We will see the next. Okay, see the next questions. If charge q is placed at the corners of the cube, then total flux passing from the cube will be. Okay, again take the options. First, q upon epsilon naught, q upon 8 epsilon naught, q upon 6 epsilon naught, and last option D is none. Think over it, how to solve it. Okay, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको? लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशंस हियर. इस क्वेश्चंस में क्या कह रहा है कि आपके पास अगेन देयर इज अ क्यूब. ओके, अगेन यू हैव अ क्यूब और यू हैव जस्ट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग दिस टाइम you are putting the charge at the corner of the cube. Then it is not, this charge is not in the closed surface. Closed surface में charge नहीं है, तो आप directly cannot apply the Gauss laws. तो what will you do? तो इसको close तो Gauss law is given for the closed surface. Then you can apply. Then what techniques will be used? Let's see here again. Okay. Just see here again. This is our cube. Okay. If 7 more cube add to this cube, then this charge cube will be at the center of the all 8 cubes. 7 more cube added to this cube, then charge cube will be at center. Then by Gauss laws, q flux phi equal to q upon epsilon naught from all 8 cubes. Okay, hence phi from a cube equal to q epsilon naught divided by 8. So q upon 8 epsilon naught. Okay, let's see the options. B option is correct. Got it? By this way you can solve the problems applying the Gauss law. This is very important. See the next problem. Write down this. Okay. Okay, now see the next problem. Write down. Suppose there are 8 electric dipole. 8 electric dipole are placed. Inside any closed surface, then total flux passing through this closed surface. Okay, take the option Q upon epsilon naught, Q upon 8 epsilon naught, 0 or D option. Okay, getting? Yes. So how can you solve it? Again, this is the based on गॉस लॉ. ठीक है, इसको भी गॉस लॉ से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. क्या कहता है कि देयर इज अ क्लोज सरफेस. लेट्स सी दिस इज अ क्लोज सरफेस एंड पुट द डाइपोल मींस नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्जेस like this. The dipole placed. Okay, then dipole there is a positive negative, total charge 0, positive negative, total charge 0, like that. Total charge inside the surface is closed surface is 0. So by Gauss law, flux phi equal to charge enclosed upon epsilon naught. Total charge enclosed is 0 upon epsilon naught, so 0. So this option is right. Okay, so we will practice more like this. Okay, so write down. Are you getting how Gauss law is very applicable, very fundamental and basic law physics? Okay, thank you. Okay, see the next questions. If any area vector A equal to 3i plus twice j meter square is placed in electric field E equal to 10i voltmeter, then find electric flux passing from this area. Okay, now see the questions. Area vector A is given here. How to solve it? Given क्या है? What is given? Area vector A is given 3r plus twice j. Okay, and electric field E is given here 10i. Okay, we know that phi equal to E dot A, dot product of electric field and area vectors, 10i into dot product with 3i plus twice j. Okay, so get the dot product. 10 into 3. Okay, this would be you already know I dot I equal to 1 and I dot j equal to 0. Okay, this is the vector. So I dot I and 10 into 3 30 plus 10 into 2 I dot j will be 0, so 0. So this will be 30 voltmeter. Okay, got it? What is the unit? Here is voltmeter, here meter square, so voltmeter is the unit. Yes, so thank you very much. Today I cover what is electric flux and what is the Gauss law, and Today we have seen the questions on that. Next lecture we will see the advance, okay, or some another topic. Thank you very much for getting class today. Yes.